I love this island.
I love this island.
We love this island.
We are in Koh Mak. It's an island located at the Marine National Park in the eastern Thailand. Around 40 kilometers from the Trat coast, you can travel from Bangkok to Trat by bus, train or overnight train or by flight. Choice is yours.
To reach Koh Mak from here, you have to travel by speedboat. You can book tickets online and you can choose the meal option as well,
Which you can get once you reach the port. Then you hop onto this cool buggy which takes you to your boat. The pier is so long.
So we are heading towards Koh Mak. This is our boat. This is speedboat. This pier around 1.5 kilometers.
Only Ross can sleep on a speedboat. How can you sleep on a speedboat?
Like this. Finally we are here.
We reached in Koh Mak. This is such a tiny island.
Koh Mak is around 16 square kilometers. Too big to walk around but easy to see by bicycle or motorbike. And this is our taxi. We got contacted by our hotel staff.
He asked us if we want the transport to hotel from the pier because this island doesn't have too many options. On our way, we came across all the rubber plants. They have very thoughtfully planted these rubber trees and they are all over the island.
Apart from the rubber tree plantation, we got to see coconut trees, palm trees and many more exotic trees around the island.
Which keeps the island cool throughout the year.
Welcome to Koh Mak. And they have nice plantation around the island with proper formation. And they collect all the rubber, all the raw rubber from the tree
And then
and
the
process and everything. Make
there
rubber.
are ample of rubber trees surrounded in this island. We are on our way to the Green View Resort where we will be staying for 3 days on this island. It is a basic resort with wooden bungalows having basic amenities and Wi-Fi included, but in a really good spot to enjoy a calm sea and mangrove.
Run by a family of extremely warm and welcoming, cheerful people. This place is for people who love the quiet and peace. There is a small extension of wooden plank bridge to the sea where you can enjoy your evening coffee or spend time watching sunset. The atmosphere of this place is ideal for relaxation.
We are staying right at the beach and we have always been skeptical about staying at beach bungalows as they are mostly full of night party and loud music. But this island has a beautiful nature which is perfect for hiking trips. We rented this small scooter after checking in at the resort itself. It's a zoomer, comes with a small space for your belongings, good with off-road as well. a gig and love hiking should definitely try out this island where it is so peaceful, so amazing. Koh Mak is quite a happening place for people who want to chill in a quiet, peaceful way. This is Cinnamon Walk of Koh Mak Island. It is the largest pier on the island and it is so beautiful. The sunset is amazing from here. Do come here, though it is underrated, but worth spending time.
Koh Mak is a quiet location for people who are looking for relaxing holiday.
When people think about Thailand, first thing comes in their mind is loud music, party, crowded beaches, malls, traffic. But you will be able to experience the real Thailand. And one such experience I had when I landed in Koh Mak.
Unlike other islands like we have visited in the past, like Koh Phangan, Koh Samui or Koh Tao, this is absolutely different from them. This island doesn't even have 7-Eleven. Kind of a secluded island of all these plantations of rubber trees you will find all over the island, and coconut trees as well. And the taste of the food, juices, coconut water is totally different from what we have tasted earlier in any of the islands so far. If you are looking for long deserted beaches, then you will definitely find them in Koh Mak. There are no jet skis or beer bars here, so if you are looking for something alternative to Phuket or Pattaya, I'm sorry to disappoint you, this island is absolutely the opposite. It's not like you will not get beers or anything, but you will not get that Pattaya vibe. You will not get that Phuket or Krabi vibe where you can party, you can have as much alcohol.
Tasty?
Fresh, pulpy.
Fresh man.
That's the way you like. We are having our lunch at Greenview Resort where we are. Menu is great, cost of everything is reasonable, and a variety of great options. I'm eating rice with gravy which has holy basil, just fried seafood.
And I have ordered Thai curry rice with tofu and vegetable.
It is amazing. The
Yummy.
taste is so fresh. The island vegetables or seafood are totally different from
Yes.
the city ones, right?
Yeah.
Everything has its own taste and we like all of them. But when you come to the island, you get that authentic taste. I have eaten the same dish in the city, but this taste is totally different. I don't know the magic of making it or really tastes super. Today is our second day on this tiny little paradise island and we are going kayak to the most beautiful private island, Koh Kham, which will be fun and adventurous.
1 hour kayak rental from Suan Yai Beach to Koh Kham cost around 150 baht. It's also possible to rent a kayak for half a day for 300 baht or a full day for 500 baht.
Life jackets and pedals are included in the rental price. It takes 30 to 40 minutes to reach. There's an entry ticket of 100 baht per person at Koh Kham Island. This is Koh Kham Pier. And the sand is absolutely gorgeous. You will find white powdery sand all over.
Carry your own snorkeling kit and ocean bag for your camera and mobile phones. After an adventurous day out, all you need is relaxing Thai massage.
And getting a Thai massage here on this island is a must, as you get to experience kind of an authentic massage techniques used by the locals here, which is different from what you get in the city.
It heals your body and relaxes every muscle and gets you ready to experience another adventurous day on this island.
We are having lunch.
So I have ordered tom yum goong with rice made with milk, red curry and seafood, mushrooms, veggies.
So I have ordered pad keema, pork and tofu, flat noodles, and I love these noodles. It has basil and tofu, all kind of vegetables.
On our third day, we are going to Koh Rayang Nok.
A 1 hour kayak rental from our Kao Beach to Koh Rayang Nok is around 150 to 200 baht.
You can find kayaks for rent at various resorts and businesses along Kao Beach. The cost may vary slightly depending on the specific rental location and whether you are renting a single or double kayak.
Ours was a double kayak, life jackets, pedals, and big ocean bag included in the rental price.
Carry your own snorkeling kit and water bottle and keep yourself hydrated. The underwater world in Koh Rayang Nok is ecstatic and worth exploring.
You can also hire a speedboat for a full day snorkeling and island hopping trip, which will take you to all the islands around Koh Mak. You will be able to explore Koh Kham, Koh Rayang Nok, and Koh Kradat in a day.
It includes transportation to and from your resort, snorkeling equipment and lunch. The cost will be around 600 to 1200 baht per person plus the entry ticket to the island.
It may vary based on the specific tour operator, the type of boat used, and the number of islands visited.
You can visit any pier on the island to book a speedboat.
I have ordered green Thai curry, rice with pork and tofu, pork fry with garlic, and steamed rice.
Today I am eating hang som, which is a sweet sour dish, Thai traditional dish with vegetables and fish. You can also order it with shrimp. With that I have ordered papaya salad, which is one of my favorite. I have tasted this Thai papaya salad a long time ago, like 6 years ago, and since then I love it. You can have it with a shrimp as well. I have ordered today without shrimp.
Koh Mak is not a destination for anyone interested in filling their days with noisy activities and crowded beaches.
Sure, there are some trips and tours you can do, but on a whole, it is a place where you go to do very little except laze and enjoy the local hospitality, clear sea and kilometers of empty beaches.
There is also a diving school where you can book diving and snorkeling trips.
There are a couple of PADI certified dive centers, snorkeling, kayaking, Muay Thai and cycling on many tracks and trails that leads to remote beaches. It is so beautiful. I can't even express how happy I am on this island. I'm so impressed by the tranquility of this island. I just don't want to leave it at all. I should have come here a little early, like few years back as well. If you like someone who loves tranquility, want to be in some kind of secluded place, away from the crowd, party, pubs. In short, if you're looking for some getaway in a tranquil atmosphere, peaceful place, this is it. You will have an amazing time here. Someone who loves nature and wants to soak in all the beauty of it, do come here. It's not a very huge island. Every time you want to go somewhere in the island itself, it will be around 4 kilometers. Everywhere you go, you will not hear a sound. It will be so peaceful.
This island is amazing, but you have to know how to ride motorbikes or get a golf cart.
There isn't a large choice of budget accommodation, but you will find friendly, welcome and good value rooms at numerous small resorts and guest houses. The island has everything you need: shops, bars, small supermarkets, pharmacy, doctor and clinic, police, ATM and much more.
You can scooter around, chill on one of the endless empty beaches and enjoy the good food, but it can feel a bit lonely sometimes. All the bars are pretty empty in the evening.
We hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as we enjoyed making it. Do let us know in the comment below if Koh Mak is the island of your vibe and which private island you would like to explore and how.
We will be waiting to hear from you all. Until then, hit the like button and subscribe to explore with us many more hidden gems around the globe. Bye!
Bye!